Hello everyone, Trudy here with Heal Wellness and Therapy, and welcome to Here and Now Meditation. A new series for our YouTube channel working on giving you quick tools and exercises and activities to combat chronic stress and help improve your mental and your emotional well-being. In today's class, nice and simple, how to just stop and take a breath. So whether we're just overwhelmed with our to-do list, whether we've overbooked ourselves, whether we're on the verge of a big decision, sometimes the easiest thing to do is just stop and take a nice, good breath. So what we're going to do today is work on taking a breath, but we're going to do it in a special way. We're going to do it to try to relax our body and calm ourselves down when we know that we're anxious or we're dealing with something stressful. So find yourself in a comfortable sitting position. If you're listening to me and maybe you're driving a car, pull over. Just park somewhere safe for a moment. Sit nice and comfortable, either with your back supported on something or completely unsupported, either on a meditation cushion, a bolster, or even just the floor. Bring your spine nice and tall. Relax your shoulders, lengthen your neck, settle your chin, and rest your tongue to the roof of the mouth. Then steady your gaze downward so that you're not overwhelmed by everything happening around you, or maybe even close your eyes. Take a slow, deep inhale into your nose. And then through your nose, slowly exhale out. Now we're going to count this breath, inhaling for 4, exhaling for 6 to slow our body down just for 3 breaths. Take an inhale in for 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale through the nose, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And third breath, inhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. And exhale, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Then open your eyes and get back to whatever your task is at hand. I guarantee you're already a little bit less stressed. Now, if you like this video, just give us a quick thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Have a great day.